Have you ever seen a gadget so advanced that it almost feels like it doesn't belong in its category anymore? Well, that's exactly what's happening with DJI's brand new Mini 5 Pro. Some people are already calling it the Air Mini Pro. But why? In this video, we're diving deep into why the Mini 5 has earned that nickname, how it stacks up against the Air 3S, and whether the smaller, lighter, cheaper drone is actually the smarter buy. Stick around, because the ending might surprise you. The DJI Mini 5 Pro may look compact and friendly, but under that foldable frame, it's packing features that used to be reserved for DJI's bigger premium models. We're talking a 1-inch sensor with 50 megapixels, 4K recording at 60 frames per second, slow motion at 120, and this one's huge, an advanced telephoto mode. Add in omnidirectional obstacle sensors, AI-powered return to home, and O4 transmission with up to 20 kilometers of range. And suddenly, this Mini starts feeling a lot less mini. No wonder people are calling it an Air Mini Pro. But here's where things get interesting. How close is it really to the Air 3S? So, what do we know? Both drones bring the same powerhouse 1-inch camera with 50 megapixels and gorgeous color profiles. But here's the twist. The Air 3S uses a true dual camera system with a 70mm optical lens for crisp 3x zoom. That's great for professional framing. The Mini 5, on the other hand, takes a clever approach with a simulated 48mm telephoto mode, still delivering excellent detail, but without the extra bulk. And then, the Mini pulls ahead with two creative tricks: a full 225-degree tilt for cinematic sweeps and true vertical capture for social media. Meanwhile, the Air 3S crops vertical footage down to 2.7K. If you're planning to post epic reels or TikToks, the Mini 5 wins this round hands down. Now here's where the debate gets juicy. The Air 3S can fly up to 45 minutes. Which is already impressive. But the Mini 5 Pro, with the Plus battery, it hits a record-breaking 52 minutes of airtime. That's 15% longer than the Air 3S, while being lighter and easier to carry. Oh, and the cost. An Air 3S battery will set you back around $245. A Mini 5 Pro Plus battery? Just $99, and it's even compatible with older Mini models. Talk about efficiency. So, if flight time and value matter to you, the Mini 5 has a clear edge. Of course, there are still reasons to go for the Air 3S. It's bigger, heavier, and that actually gives it more stability in the air, especially in windy conditions. The Air 3S also tops out at 75 km per hour compared to the Mini's 68 km per hour. It's a small difference, but if you're chasing action shots, every bit counts. Plus, the Air's dual camera system isn't just for show. It gives professionals more flexibility without relying on digital tricks. The build feels more premium too, so if you're after the most refined flying experience, the Air 3S still holds its ground. So here's the bottom line. The DJI Mini 5 Pro is no longer just a travel-friendly beginner drone. It's evolved into something that truly rivals DJI's Air lineup. With incredible flight time, vertical video support, advanced sensors, and a price that's far easier to swallow, it makes sense why people are calling it the Air Mini Pro. But if you value ultimate stability, raw speed, and dual optical cameras, the Air 3S is still the more pro choice. Now I want to hear from you. Which one fits your flying style better? The lightweight, feature-packed Mini 5 Pro or the larger, premium Air 3S? Drop your thoughts in the comments. And if this breakdown helped you out, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon so you don't miss the next one.